Hello, everyone, and welcome to Future Flow Academy. I'm Emily.
And I'm Paul. We are so happy you're here today.
Today is day one of our 60-day spoken English course.
Wait, day one already? That feels exciting.
It really does. And today we're starting with the most important speaking skill in English.
Grammar?
Well, yes and no.
What does that mean?
Most people think speaking English means learning hundreds of grammar rules.
That's exactly what I think.
And that's exactly why so many learners feel stuck.
Okay, now I'm curious.
Good. Let me ask you a question.
Go ahead.
If someone asks you, "What do you do every day?" Can you answer easily?
Um,
See?
wait. Why is my brain suddenly empty?
Because you don't have a grammar problem.
Really?
You have a speaking pattern problem.
A speaking pattern problem?
Exactly. Today I'm going to show you one simple pattern that helps you talk about your daily life naturally.
Just one pattern?
Just one.
I like simple.
Then you're going to love today's lesson.
All right, teach me.
First, imagine your life is a movie.
A movie?
Yes. You wake up. You eat breakfast. You go to work. You come home. You sleep.
Sounds like my movie is a little boring.
Maybe. But English loves routines.
Interesting.
And to talk about routines, English uses something very special.
What is it?
We use the base form of the verb.
Uh-oh, that sounds like grammar.
Don't worry, let's make it visual.
Good.
Imagine you have a camera.
Okay, I have a camera.
This camera records your normal life every day.
Got it.
Not yesterday.
Okay,
Not tomorrow.
okay.
Every day.
Every day.
Exactly.
So what does the camera see?
It sees your routine.
I wake up,
Yes.
I eat breakfast,
Perfect.
I go to work.
Excellent.
Wait, those sentences feel really easy.
That's the point.
So I don't need long sentences?
Not at all.
That's a relief.
Let's build your routine together.
All right,
Every morning, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Great.
Then I drink coffee.
Excellent.
Then I go to work.
Perfect.
Wow, I'm already speaking English.
Yes, you are.
This feels much easier than I expected.
That's because we're speaking, not studying.
I like that philosophy.
Let me show you a common mistake.
Okay.
Some learners say, "I am wake up at 7."
Oh no,
Does that sound right?
now it sounds strange.
Exactly.
Why?
Remember our movie camera?
Yes,
The camera records routines.
right.
For routines, we simply say, "I wake up."
No extra words.
Exactly.
Nice.
Let's practice more.
I'm ready.
I wake up.
I wake up,
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I go to work.
I go to work.
I come home.
I come home.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I sleep.
I sleep.
Fantastic.
This feels like building blocks.
That's exactly what it is.
Small blocks create big conversations.
Well said.
Can I make my own sentence?
Of course.
I play football every weekend.
Excellent.
I study English every day.
Perfect. And
I listen to podcasts at night.
amazing.
Hey, this is actually fun.
English should be fun.
I wish somebody told me that earlier.
Better late than never.
True.
Now, let's talk about something important.
What's that?
The magic words.
Magic words?
Words that tell us this is a routine.
Oh, I want to know these.
Listen carefully.
Listening.
Every day.
Every day.
Usually.
Usually.
Always.
Always.
Often.
Often.
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Never.
Never.
These words are your best friends
Why?
because they instantly show that you're talking about habits.
Routines.
Exactly.
Let me try.
Go ahead.
I usually drink coffee.
Great.
I always brush my teeth.
Perfect.
I sometimes watch movies.
Excellent.
I never skip breakfast.
Fantastic.
I'm feeling confident now.
Good. Because it's time for a challenge.
Uh-oh.
Nothing scary.
That's what teachers always say.
Trust me.
Okay,
Tell me 3 things you do every day.
easy.
Let's hear them.
I wake up at 7.
Good.
I drink coffee.
Nice.
I study English.
Excellent.
Was that correct?
Completely correct.
Yes.
See? You can already talk about your life.
Wait. That's true.
Most people think speaking English requires thousands of words.
Doesn't it?
No,
Really?
not at the beginning.
Then what do I need?
A few useful verbs and confidence.
I can do that.
Absolutely.
Can we do a funny story?
Of course.
I once wanted to tell someone about my routine.
What happened?
I wanted to say, I drink coffee every morning,
Sounds normal.
but I said, I eat coffee every morning.
No way.
Yes.
Did the person laugh?
They looked very confused.
I would be confused too.
They asked, do you chew it?
That's hilarious.
I was so embarrassed.
Don't worry. Mistakes help us learn.
That's good because I make a lot of them.
Every English learner does.
Even advanced learners?
Even advanced learners.
That makes me feel better.
Good.
What's next?
A real conversation.
My favorite part.
Imagine we're coworkers.
Okay,
Hi, Paul. What do you do every morning?
I wake up at 7.
Nice. Then what?
I drink coffee.
Great.
Then I go to work.
Excellent. Do you exercise?
Yes. I usually exercise in the evening.
Wonderful.
That felt natural.
Because it was natural.
I'm starting to understand.
English is not about perfect grammar.
Then what is it about?
Communication.
I like that.
Before we continue, we have a quick question for our listeners.
Yes, we do.
Guys, what do you do every morning?
Tell us in the comments.
Write 3 simple sentences.
That's all.
For example,
I wake up at 6.
I drink tea.
I go to school.
Simple and powerful.
And if you're enjoying today's lesson,
Please hit the like button.
and subscribe to Future Flow Academy.
We have 59 more days together.
That's a lot of English.
And a lot of fun.
Definitely.
All right, let's finish with today's golden challenge.
I'm ready.
Tell us about your daily routine.
Here we go.
Take your time.
Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Nice start.
I usually drink coffee.
Great.
Then I go to work.
Excellent.
In the evening, I study English.
Perfect.
At night, I watch TV and sleep.
Fantastic.
Hey, I just spoke English for almost a minute,
You did.
and it wasn't scary.
That's today's biggest lesson.
What's that?
Speaking English becomes easy when you talk about your real life.
I love that.
Let's finish with today's golden rule.
Oh, I like the golden rules.
Ready?
Ready.
If it's part of your normal routine, use a simple verb.
Like I wake up.
Exactly.
I drink coffee.
Perfect.
I study English.
Wonderful.
Simple really is powerful.
It truly is.
Thank you for today's lesson, Emily.
You're very welcome.
And thank you to everyone listening.
Keep practicing every day.
Small steps create big results.
We'll see you tomorrow for day 2.
Until then, keep speaking English.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.